Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here with another video, and today what I'll be doing is I will be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful electric blue eyeshadow look. So as you can see, I'm feeling very blue, but like a happy blue, not a sad blue, like, you know, like blue. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting off with my Bare Minerals Pro Concealer that I got on my Vox box. As you can see, this shade was way too light for me, so I am going to use it as a eyeshadow base. I feel like the eyeshadow will show up pretty well because it's very light. And then I'm just using a concealer brush to blend it out a little bit. So I'm going to use my Airspun setting powder to set my eyes so that I have no creasing. And I just feel like setting your base or your concealer, whatever you use for your eyeshadow, just helps it show up better and it stops it from creasing throughout the day. I'm gonna be doing this whole look with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be using all of these blues over here / purples. Maybe let's just see what I want to do. So I am going to I'm going to use this blue right here. It's almost the same color as my backdrop, so I'm going to use that blue right there. I'm going to put that into my crease. I'm going to make sure you start off with a little bit of blue and you work your way up. You want to start off with a little bit of color and then build, because if you don't, then it's going to look crazy when you're not able to blend it out. So now what I'm gonna do, just because this is really annoying me, you don't have to, you can leave it on, but I'm just gonna take my finger and just kind of wipe this away. I'm gonna go in very carefully with the same brush. I'm gonna use this black color that I have in the BH Cosmetics palette. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that black very carefully, and I'm just gonna put it in my outer corner like this. Because with a black eyeshadow, you really want to make sure that you're not ODing, because then it's really hard to blend out. And I want a blue, not a smoky eye, so I'm going to do it very subtle. I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to put it on my inner lid. I'm going to take this dome smudger and I am going to go into this color right here, and I am going to put it, I'm going to create like a triangle shape right where this space is with that blue. With this brush, you need a brush that's a little more pointy and not as like you're gonna need a very firm brush for this part if you want it to come out correctly. And as you go into the crease, you want to kind of like dig deep into it so your crease really gets that color. And you want to make sure you blend it with that first color that we put in the front of our eyelids. Well, the inner corner, not the front. Hopefully it'll fuck this side up. And this is giving me Wild Thoughts vibes, but like 10 times better because I'm 10 times better at doing my makeup now. And when I did that and then I saw that everyone else, it was just annoying. Like, just once I'm done doing that, I have my blue hue going on. So you want to take a brush that is pointier. I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm gonna put it in my waterline. This blue and I'm going to put it on top. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with this color right here. So not the color that we started off with, it's a different color. I'm going to start off with that color and I'm going to put it in my crease. This is what it's looking like when it's done. Pretty cute, right? Pretty cute, pretty different. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this dysfunctional video. Blue is trending, so I was like, let me do a blue eyeshadow look, like why not? And it came out pretty cute. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to recreate this look, give it a thumbs up. If this video made you sub, please thumbs this up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Pretty girls alone. Pretty girls alone. Pretty girl alone. Pretty girl.